Former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh passed away at Delhi's All India Institute of Medical Sciences on Thursday. He was 92 years old. In an official statement, AIIMS said Dr. Singh, a veteran Congress leader, was undergoing treatment for age-related ailments and experienced a sudden loss of consciousness at home. Despite extensive medical efforts, he could not be revived and was declared dead at 9:51 p.m. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid heartfelt tribute to his predecessor, describing him as one of the most distinguished leaders. In a post on X, PM Modi stated, "Rising from humble origins, he rose to become a respected economist. He served in various government positions as well, including as finance minister, leaving a strong imprint on our economic policy over the years. His interventions in parliament were also insightful. As our prime minister, he made extensive efforts to improve people's lives." Leaders from across the political spectrum mourned Dr. Singh's demise, highlighting his contributions to India's governance and economic progress. Additionally, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and Lok Sabha Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi are returning to Delhi from Belagavi, where they were attending a Congress Working Committee meeting to pay their respects to Dr. Singh. Dr. Manmohan Singh, who served as India's Prime Minister from 2004 to 2014, is widely respected for his pivotal role in India's economic liberalization during his tenure as Finance Minister in the 1990s. His reforms during this period transformed the Indian economy, setting the stage for its rapid growth in the years that followed. His passing marks the end of an era in Indian politics, with tributes pouring in from all corners of the nation and beyond, lauding his humility, intellect, and decades of service to the country.